Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Just a quick video to catch up with you guys regarding the goings on in the upcoming Nigerian elections, and particularly to discuss the campaigns going on. I say the campaigns going on, but really, are there campaigns going on? So we're just under or just approximately 2 months away from these elections, and we have seen no activities from the major parties, especially the APC party. Certainly no movement from Malam Buhari. We've had some online activities from Atiku Abubakar. I've seen several interviews by him, so he is at least showing presence. And of course, we have seen a lot of activities from the newer candidates and the younger candidates. And when I'm saying the newer and the younger candidates, I'm speaking especially of Kingsley Moghalu, Omoyele Sowore, and bring back our girls back lady. I've always struggled with her name, so I'm not going to attempt it. So we've seen a lot of activities from these people. Sowore in particular has traversed the length and breadth of that country. He has visited places that I did not even know existed within Nigeria, to the point that he actually went to Daura, which is the hometown of Malam Buhari, to go and confront him. And when I say confront him, I mean that metaphorically, of course, not literally. So he actually went to Daura to go and confront Malam Buhari there, and surprisingly he got quite a resounding reception in Daura. The people of Daura are not particularly pleased with Malam Buhari. He's left them in abject poverty and in perpetual darkness, as he has done the rest of Nigeria, whilst he, Babachir Lawal, and the rest of the cabal continue to cream off the fat of the land off the top with the oil deals and everything. But really, what strikes me and what I am bringing to your attention with this video is the lack of activity from President Buhari in particular. Does he have the energy for a campaign? Is he able to stand on a rostrum for any length of time? Is he able to address an audience? What sort of reception will he get? I suspect that we will only see Oshibajo do a few campaign rallies, but Buhari will make a cameo appearance at some of these stadiums for like the 1 hour, 30 minutes, just wave to the crowd and disappear. He doesn't have the energy, he doesn't have the health conditioning, he doesn't have the stamina, he doesn't have all of the requisites for a campaign. As he has already demonstrated, he also does not have a lot of the requisites for actually running the country. So there we have it. We're going to have a presidential election for the first time, where one of the major protagonists is not going to really have that much of a campaign, but then there's really no need for a campaign from President Buhari, because the election, of course, has already been decided. They have every intention of rigging it, so there's no real election rather going to take place. The cousin of the president is the lead at INEC, as we know. All the security apparatus have already pledged their loyalty to the Buhari campaign. The central bank's vault has been opened to the Buhari campaign team. So really, there's absolutely no vacancy in Aso Rock. So what we're going to have in February is just a charade, a publicity, a drama played out for the international media to say that they've had what they would choose to term as an election. But nothing new is happening, no change is going to happen, and we've already seen the indication with Malam Buhari not even attempting to pretend at campaigning for anybody's election. 2 months away, no activity. The only activity that we're really seeing is from Sowore, really, who seems to be gaining momentum. But of course, we all know that it's money politics in Nigeria, so he's going to give a good showing. That is Sowore, I mean, that is. He's going to give a good showing, but really it's not going to come to that much. And really coming to much really is taking that position of presidency. So having a good showing and being a good runners-up and coming second place, they say, is first loser. So really coming second or third has no meaning, really. You are no better off than you were when you started if you don't get the post. So really no elections taking place in Nigeria, I'm afraid. Just kick back and watch television on the day. Don't put your life at risk, because there's a good chance that if you go out to try and attempt to effect change, you'll be encountered by the security apparatus put out by Malam Buhari and his cronies. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. Buhari not campaigning, but then why should he campaign when he's already put in place the structures to rig the election? So with that, I'll leave you there, and I'll meet you in the comment section where this conversation will go on, and I'll say peace.